Northampton, located in the East Midlands of England, is a town rich in history, culture and character. As the county town of Northamptonshire, it has long served as a hub of commerce, politics and community, evolving over centuries from its early beginnings as a Saxon settlement into a modern town that still carries the marks of its past with pride. The origins of Northampton can be traced back to the 6th century, when the Anglo-Saxons established a settlement along the banks of the River Nen. Its strategic position made it an important location during the medieval period, especially during the Norman conquest. By the 11th century, Northampton had grown into a prominent market town, and in 1086 it was listed in the Domesday Book. Over the centuries, Northampton played host to numerous kings and was even considered a royal town for a time. It witnessed key moments during the English Civil War and suffered a devastating fire in 1675, which destroyed much of the medieval town centre. The rebuilding that followed gave rise to many of the elegant Georgian buildings seen today. One of the most notable historic landmarks is Northampton Castle, or rather the remnants of it. Once a strong and impressive fortress that played a significant role during the Middle Ages, it was sadly demolished in the 19th century to make way for the railway. However, its legacy remains part of local lore, and visitors can still see parts of the original structure near the train station. The town is also home to the beautiful All Saints Church, rebuilt after the Great Fire on the site of a much older church. The stunning portico at the front and the grand interior make it a must-see for anyone interested in architecture and history. Another historic highlight is Delapre Abbey, a short distance from the town centre. This former Cluniac nunnery has been transformed into a fascinating heritage site, with gardens, exhibitions, and regular events that draw in visitors year-round. Northampton's long-standing connection to the shoemaking and leather industry is one of its defining features. Known as the shoemaking capital of Britain, the town was once the heart of quality footwear production. Many prestigious brands still operate from here, and the legacy is celebrated at the Northampton Museum and Art Gallery. The museum offers a deep dive into the history of shoes, from ancient sandals to modern high fashion, alongside an impressive art collection and exhibitions covering the wider history of the town. For those who enjoy the outdoors, Northampton offers a variety of green spaces. Abington Park is one of the most loved areas in the town, combining open parkland, a lake, a cafe, and a museum housed in a beautiful manor house. The park is ideal for families, joggers, and those simply looking to enjoy a relaxing afternoon. Nearby, the Nen Valley offers scenic, walking, and cycling trails along the river, where you can take in the beauty of the Northamptonshire countryside. In terms of entertainment and culture, the town has plenty to offer. The Royal and Derngate Theatre is a centrepiece of the cultural scene, hosting everything from West End productions and live music to stand-up comedy and community performances. Northampton also boasts a lively music scene, supported by grassroots venues, and a selection of pubs and bars that offer live performances in an intimate setting. The town centre is a blend of historical charm and modern development. Market Square, one of the oldest and largest in England, still operates regularly and is surrounded by a variety of shops, cafés, and restaurants. Strolling through the streets, you'll encounter an eclectic mix of architecture, from medieval churches to Victorian storefronts and sleek new buildings. Throughout the year, Northampton hosts various festivals and community events that reflect its diverse and welcoming spirit. From food festivals and Christmas markets to art trails and heritage open days, there's always something happening to bring people together. Sports are another important part of life in Northampton. The town is home to the Northampton Saints, one of England's top rugby union teams, based at Franklin's Gardens. There's also Northampton Town Football Club, affectionately known as the Cobblers, whose name pays homage to the town's shoemaking heritage. Motorsport fans will also appreciate the town's proximity to Silverstone, the world-famous racing circuit, just a short drive away. Northampton's location makes it easily accessible, with excellent transport links to London, Birmingham and other major cities. Yet despite its connectivity and growth, it remains a place with a strong sense of identity, where history is never far from view and community values still run deep. In Northampton, every corner tells a story. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, visiting vibrant markets, walking through peaceful parks, or learning about centuries of shoemaking, the town offers a rich and rewarding experience. It's a place where past and present live side by side, inviting visitors to discover, connect, and enjoy everything this historic heart of England has to offer.